In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly export your product list from the Fresha platform. This process is straightforward and ensures you have a convenient backup or a smooth way to share your product data with others. Let's dive into it together, step by step, so you can master this in no time. To begin, make sure you have access to the Fresha dashboard, as this is our starting point. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen, where you'll notice a series of icons. What we're interested in today is the one that resembles a book. This is your catalog, which contains all the foundational data about the products you currently manage. Click on this icon to open up a world of possibilities. Now that you're inside the catalog section, you'll want to focus on the next step, navigating to your product listings. To do this, look again to your left for the products option. Click on this, and you'll be greeted with a comprehensive list of all the products you have registered on Fresha. This list is crucial for your business operations, as it comprises everything you're offering to your clients. With your product list in sight, the next step involves exporting these details to an external file for your records or reporting needs. To set this in motion, locate the Options button. This is found at the top of your page and is key to unlocking a variety of actions, including exporting. Upon clicking the Options button, a drop-down menu will materialize. This is where you will find the Export section. Here, you can choose between exporting your data via CSV or Excel format. Both options are effective, so select the one that best suits your needs. For those unfamiliar, CSV is great for spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, and is often favored for simplicity and compatibility. On the other hand, choosing Excel provides a bit more in terms of features if you're utilizing Excel-specific functionalities. Once you've made your selection between CSV or Excel, the system will automatically initiate the download. The file will be saved to your default download location, so make sure you know where that is on your computer for easy access. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully exported your product list. This process not only saves you time, but also helps in maintaining an organized record of your product details at all times. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. With a little practice, exporting your product list will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.